And new today, testimony revealing that a Daphne man charged with 4 counts of capital murder offered a chilling explanation for his actions.
Yeah, Baldwin County judge sending this case to a grand jury, but Jared Smith-Bracy's lawyers are saying that their client was not responsible for his actions. Fox News' Brendan Kirby now joining us live from Bay Minette.
And Brendan, this isn't a whodunit.
No, that's right. It's not, Lenise and Byron. The defense isn't contesting that Jared Smith-Bracy caused these deaths. The issue is his mental state. An investigator testifying at Monday's preliminary hearing said defendant Jared Smith-Bracy confessed shortly after his arrest on February 22nd to killing his grandparents, his brother, and a family friend. The investigators saying Smith-Bracy admitted to using a pickaxe and a gun to kill the 4 at his grandparents' home in the Lake Forest subdivision. This all occurred shortly after the defendant bonded out of the city jail on charges that he broke down doors at the home following a fight over the dishes. Investigator Jason Vinoy testified that Smith-Bracy first claimed that he was the victim and then later told detectives, quote, "I had to get them before they got me." Defense attorney Joseph Pilcher says that's just one indication that his client was exhibiting signs of paranoia. He also pointed to his client's father, who committed suicide when he was about the same age that the defendant is now.
We believe that coming to right now, there was a break in his normal behavior. I think you heard that today. There were family members that said he was normal. This was absent his normal behavior. This was not his normal behavior.
Baldwin County Chief Assistant District Attorney Teresa Hines says that the typical reaction people have to something like this is no one in his right mind could do such a thing. But she says the legal standard is whether Smith-Bracy appreciated the criminality of his conduct.
I have nothing in my case file that suggests that he has any kind of mental disease or defect. And until I do, he is absolutely responsible for his criminal conduct.
Meanwhile, Hines says Smith-Bracy's mother is grappling with the fact that her parents and one son are dead while the other is charged with their murders. She says the entire family is conflicted.
They're hurting. You know, Mother's Day was just this past weekend, and, you know, they lost their mother, they lost their sister. It's hard, and they're processing it, and they've got a long way to go.
This case will now go to a grand jury for possible indictment. As to whether prosecutors intend to seek the death penalty in this case, Hines says it's way too early to make that decision. Reporting live in Bay Minette, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.